Who among the following Indian has not received the Nobel Prize? Correct answer is Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad. The tiger dance or Beg Nach of Odisha is done in which Hindu month? Correct answer is Chaitra. Of which Indian state Gamocha a cultural symbol? Correct answer is Assam. What is Farsi New Year known as? Correct answer is Newroz. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated on the first day of Shawwal, which falls in the month of Islamic calendar. Correct answer is 10th. The festival is dedicated to goddess Durga and her 9 avatars. Correct answer is Navratri. Which festival is also known as Mahakumbh of the East? Correct answer is Ambubachi Mela. Rongali Bihu, one of the major festivals of Assam, is celebrated in the month of. Correct answer is April. Ali Ligang, a spring festival, is associated with which state? Correct answer is Assam. Is the founder of Facebook? Correct answer is Mark Zuckerberg.